I'm Anna Murray, author of The Complete Software Project Manager. Managing a software project team can be tough. In this video, we're going to look at the #1 problem in managing a team and what to do about it. In another video, I talked about holistic project management, which looks like this. Bottom line, to achieve good project management, the whole organization is involved. So what gets in the way? I'll show you. The first thing that happens is that members of the project team, let's call them the techies for short, overreach their roles, making decisions on lots of things that aren't in their purview. Now let's look at the other side. These are the business people. Often, these people don't feel very confident when it comes to technology, so they may shy away from technical decisions or even shirk their responsibilities when it comes to the software project. Let's take a peek at what this looks like in real life. Is there a programmer in your office in charge of some major important system? Let's call her Jane the programmer. Jane the programmer is the go-to gal for questions on the database or if you need a custom report. Everyone relies on her. She fields requests constantly. Jane must make a dozen decisions a day. Some even affect company strategy. Next, we have Aaron the manager. He's not very confident in technology. Sometimes a big issue that comes up is complex with a lot of technical jargon. He'll turn to Jane and ask, "What do you think we should do?" As time goes on, Jane the programmer learns it's her job to make all major technology decisions day to day and when there is a software project. So what's the problem? Jane the programmer knows and Aaron the manager doesn't. What's so bad about that? The truth is, many organizations get into huge amounts of trouble and expense when this is happening. Because all technology decisions, even big strategic ones, may be getting made by a mid-level programmer who has no insight into any of the organization's actual strategy. Business leaders discover too late that their customer database isn't in alignment with where the company wants to go, or that they are in violation of federal data protection guidelines. What can you do? Follow this rule. Programmers and other techies get to recommend. The business must decide. How do you do it? Make sure you share the rule with your programmers and other technical staff. Good project managers should be on the alert during meetings. They can help identify when decisions need to be kicked upstairs to someone in the business or management. There may be resistance at first. Remember Jane? She may feel unhappy that her role as decision maker is changing. Make sure you acknowledge her importance to the team along the way. It's perfectly understandable for managers to feel anxious or overwhelmed when dealing with technology, especially if they don't have a background in it. Nevertheless, the business leaders must decide on matters of technology strategy, such as major decisions on your software project. There are lots of resources out there to help you feel more confident. I wrote a whole book about it. Reading books or articles on topics related to your project is a great place to start. You can also partner with a senior technologist like a CIO or consultant to help you understand the more complicated issues. Then, make sure you get all the information you need from the project team. Attend meetings and read the meeting notes. Ask questions. When everyone is performing their role appropriately, your software project has a much greater chance for success.